trying to get this one out because it's stuck. There was the second one, I don't know where it went. Probably like in the engine bay somewhere.
The seal shot?
All the bubbles.
Look at that.
See what I'm saying? I'ma make them see what I'm saying. First they won't smoke, now they just...
Welcome back, beautiful people, to my YouTube channel. We're almost at 3K subscribers. I've never thought we'd be at 3K in like so little time. So grateful and thankful for you all. Today, we are going to be doing something small, something quick and easy. I'm trying to fix my front bumper and my rear bumper. When I drive, they usually pop right off and it's just hanging and swinging around, and I don't like that. I don't like that look when I'm driving around. I want my bumper to stay on while I drive, you know? So we're gonna try to figure out something, a solution for that. And no, I don't want quick release. I don't want to get a quick release because I don't know, I just don't want a button just there like on my car, you know. I want that stock clean look, so I'm not doing the quick release anytime soon. Hopefully I find a solution to do today so I don't have to go that route. And also I need a new tire for my front because I ended up getting the wrong size, so it's been rubbing and I can't drive yet, so I've been dying to drive my car. But today's the day where we get new tires and I'm gonna figure out a solution for my front bumper and rear bumper to stay on. So let's get into it. So weird because the clips on the car are not broken, and then these are not broken as well, but the front one. So maybe if I fix this, maybe it'll hook on. We're gonna have to try a lot of things. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is tape. I try to use duct tape. Clips are all there on the bumper, like nothing's broken but the front. So maybe that is the only problem. Look at this side too. This is how it stays when I drive. Like I clip it on and everything and it just comes right off like this. It's just embarrassing. Same thing for this side. See, I was using tape. My quarter panel is fixed. It just needs to be painted. This whole car needs to be painted. Back from AutoZone, I got Permatex plastic welder zip ties just in case that doesn't work. I'm tired of my bumper always falling off. I don't even know how to use this. Let me see. Push up. Oops. Smells like acrylics. Well, if you're a girl, it smells like when you go to a nail salon. We're using a piece of stick from the tree over there. I'm just gonna layer that over. It's really bad, but you know, hopefully the other side looks better. Come on. Okay, so if you're doing this, do it fast because it'll dry up and become like this, and then you can't apply it. So as soon as you mix it, just apply it. It looks like mountains, I know.
That doesn't look pretty.
You know what people are gonna say, right?
What?
They're gonna tell you, why didn't you just get a new bumper?
Might have to remove the wheels.
It's pretty dope.
It's a whole new bracket. It feels like it too.
You're wrong.
I'd rather just self-tap it. That's good. I'm gonna leave this tire off since I'm getting a new tire tomorrow. Oh my god. This idea just came along the way, so.
You might need another. No, you're good. Perfect. No, it'll never come off.
Damn, that's perfect. So if you're at home and you're trying to do this to your car, do the zip tie way.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
There you go. And let's just get it done. No more falling off bumpers for Stephanie.
That's all I wanted.
Now all you need is your tire tomorrow and you could technically drive.
Okay guys, so we ended up just using zip ties for the bumpers to stay on. We just found somewhere to put the hole, somewhere where the tire wouldn't hit it. It's pretty secure. We did the front bumper. The front bumper is on now. We did the rear, only the left side. I gotta do the right side tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll just get the new tires and then we'll just do the other side. Let me explain what happened. We were jacking up Dante's car because he needs a flip. Since we're going to get my tires today, decided to take his tires off so we can catch a flip for him too. And while we do that, There's kitties everywhere. See the paw right here. So we're trying to get this one out because it's stuck. There was the second one. I don't know where it went. Probably like in the engine bay somewhere. And we saved 2. Let me show you the other 2. Look at them. They're alive, but they're sleeping right now. I did my makeup, my hair, and now I look crazy. But it's okay. We tried to save some kitties today, and we ended up saving 2. We still need to save that one that's stuck, and then we still gotta find a 4th one. This one is being so stubborn. Look at my sweat. Look at this.
You look good.
I gotta change. We just gotta find one more.
The other one, he's a goner.
Get that 4th kitty.
Why did I think they were gonna eat cookies? Oh, it's right there.
See it?
Right there, it's out. Can't see it.
Right there. Oh, you missed it. Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving. Damn.
Come on, his nails. Nails are sharp as hell.
Oh, 4.
3 hours later. I've been going to sexing up.
The seal shot?
Look
All
at
the
that.
bubbles.
Look at that.
Well, fam, as you guys seen, today has been a really hectic day. First, we find a litter of kittens underneath Dante's car, and we had to save them. Basically took us like about 3 hours to get all of them out. They're all nice and safe. And then on top of that, I was supposed to be driving my car today, but my wheels, as you guys seen in the previous video, there's bubbles, meaning they basically need to reseal it, and that's what they're doing today. They're gonna be resealing my wheels. I just dropped them off at a different location, and they said it'll be ready by tomorrow. Still on, the rear's still on, so far so good. This rear's on, so they all stayed on, which was pretty good because that's all I wanted. I wanted to drive without it falling and flapping around, so we did good. Guys, I'm in front of the car for that lighting, but anyways, you guys need to stay tuned for the next video because it's what you all been wanting, what you all been asking in the comment section, so stay tuned to that one. Put your post notifications on, give it a like so I know I'm doing a good job, and comment down below so I can get to know you guys more. See you in the next one. Come closer. The wheel is straight on this side, as you can see. That's not straight. The alignment is pretty bad. I don't want to drive it too far, so let's just go to the gas station.